Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, now this is a very simple Math Olympiad problem. Okay, we are asked to find this. Now this is very simple. Now don't forget that it is an abomination for us to leave a sword at the denominator. It is absurd. We don't like that. So what do? We rationalize. I'm going to solve this with two methods. Then you pick the one you like, and don't forget that my second method is always the easiest method. So let us solve it the hard way. Solving it the hard way, I'm going to say to rationalize, this is going to be multiplied by the conjugate of this. Conjugate simply means change the sign in the middle. So I'm going to have that multiplied by the square root of 75 plus the square root of 25 all over the same thing again. The square root of 75 plus the square root of what? 75. Okay. Now, this is the something I'm saying. This is something I'm saying. The square root of 75 plus the square root of 25. Sorry, this is 25, so that I will not make mistakes. Sorry. Okay, square root of 25. Okay. uh this is multiplying itself, so I'm going to have all squared. Okay, all squared is equal to, now this is difference of 2 squared. Okay, difference of 2 squared, that is whenever you have that a minus b is being multiplied by a plus b. Okay, let me write it that way so that it will help you to understand it better. Okay, so I'm having that this is the square root of 75 minus the square root of 25, all multiplied by the square root of 75 plus the square root of 25. Okay. Now this is them saying just say the first one squared minus the second one squared. Okay, that's the meaning of this. So I'm going to have that. If I clear the one up, this clear the first one, all squared, multiply the first one and the second one, double it, the square root of 75, the square root of plus the square root of what? 25, all squared. Okay, all over. This is going to be the square root of 75 all squared minus the square root of 25 all squared. Okay, so having this, I'm going to have that permit me to clean here. So I'm going to have that this is now this squared, this will take care of this. Okay, I'm going to have that this is 75 plus 2 uh plus 2 the square root of, now if you multiply these two, I'm going to have that this is okay. Now square root of, don't forget that square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so this is 75 plus 25, 75 plus 25, then plus let's say 2 now divided by this, take care of this, I'm going to have 75 minus 25. Okay, so this plus this is going to give me uh this plus this is going to give me, that is 100, right? That is 100. So I'm going to have 100 plus 100 plus 2, 100 plus 2, the square root of 75, then over this minus this, I'm going to have 50. This is 50, so 50. Okay, now there is something that is going to happen here. Now, do you know that 75 is now 75 divided by 25, 75, that is 25 times 3, right? Yeah, 75 divided by 25. Yeah, 25 times 3. So I'm correct. So this is the square root of what? 25 times 3. Okay. So I'm going to have that this is set now saying 100 plus 2, the square root of, let's have this to be 25 times 3. Okay. 25 times 3 plus the square root of, so this is 100 square root of 25 sorry, not plus again, sorry, this is attached, the square root of 25. Okay, the square root of 25. Now, that is according to laws of surd, that a times b could be separated to be square root of a times square root of b, right? But what do we do? Is 100 plus, when, if you have square root of a multiplied by square root of a again, it's simply just a. So square root of 25 times square root of 25 is just 5. So this is what? It's just 25. So 25 times 2. Okay, this is going to be 2 multiplied by 25, then multiplied by that root 3 that is remaining here. Okay, then over 50. So this is now going to be uh this is now going to be 100 plus, this time this is going to give me 50, the square root of what? 3 divided by 50. Now 50 could be factorized. If I factorize 50 here, I'm having 50 divided by this is what? 2 plus 50 divided by this will give you root. This, I'm left with what? 2 plus root 3 as my answer. Okay, now this is the method, which is the easiest method. Is going to say the easiest method. Let us solve again. Watch. Look at what I'm going to do now, so that you see that the easiest course you can study is math. Watch. The square root of what? 75 plus the square root of 25 divided by the square root of 75 minus the square root of 25. Okay. Now, having this, I'm going to say that let us break for that 75 could be written as 25 times, sorry, 25 times 3. Okay, so let us do it that way. So this is something as saying the square root of 25 times 3 plus the square root of 25 all over the square root of 25 times 3 minus the square root of 25. Now look at this, very simple. So what do we do? Let us separate it. Like I told you before, that the square root of a times b according to surd is the square root of a multiplied by the square root of b. Let us separate them. The square root of the square root of 25, separating them. The square root of 25, the square root of 3 times the square root of 25 minus 25. Okay. You will see that there is something that is common. We can factorize. We can factorize the square root of 25. So if I bring out the square root of 25, now I'm left with root 3 here. Okay, divide these people, I'm left with root 3 here, while I'm left with 1 here. Okay, all over. Now the same thing here. If you factorize the square root of 25, I'm left with root 3 minus 1. Okay, so this take care of this, then, which means I'm left with root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1. Okay, so now we can now rationalize. For us to rationalize, we have to multiply by the conjugate, that is root 3 minus plus 1 all over root 3 plus 1. Okay, so this is root 3 plus 1 all squared all over, the denominator is always difference of 2 squared, that is root 3 all squared minus 1 squared. Okay, so this is now square the first one, which is 3, multiply the first one and the second one, double it, I'm going to have 2 root 3, then square the last one, I'm going to have 1 all over this squared is 3 minus 1. Okay, which is this, and this is going to give me 4. Okay, 4 plus 2 root 3 all over 2. Okay, so what do? We can factorize. If you factorize, they have 2 in common, or this divided by this will give you 2. Why this divided by this will give you what? Root 3. The same answer. So which of the method do you prefer, child of God? Which of them? So tell us in the comment section. May the peace of the Lord be with you.